Yo, what's good people, it's Cactus, and in today's video, I've got something a little bit different for you. So recently my guy LLB came up to see me and Manny. If you don't know who LLB is, he's a sick producer and YouTuber. I've done a podcast episode with him before, and we had pretty much a full day booked at the studio. So he brought his videographer with him to document everything. We didn't really have a plan for it, we just thought we'd see what the vibe was like, and we ended up cooking up 5 bangers. So we started off with a drill beat, we ended up making some trap, some UK rap just to keep it interesting. We used a couple of each other's loops and we did some stuff from scratch. So yeah man, the day was sick, it was real productive, and I like the way the video came out. At first it was more for his channel because he includes some vlogging, but just in case anyone missed it from his channel or you just haven't heard of him, I wanted to share it with you guys. So I like doing tutorials for you guys, but this was just good to switch it up a little bit. It was more of a natural video. So let me know if you're feeling this style of video. I'm in London this week visiting a couple sick producers too, and I'm thinking about documenting everything for you guys to see. So if you want that, just let me know in the comments. But yo, I think you're gonna like this one, so let's get into it.
Yo! What's going on, man? How's it going?
I'm alright, how are you?
Yeah, good to see you, man.
Yeah, you too.
Dead
You
noise.
killed someone in here, couldn't you?
I did Sluggy Beats' podcast last week, and he's doing what you're doing, so
yeah,
he's just doing like a cheeky podcast. Yeah, it's nice being in the UK, to be fair, especially now that like
I suppose you can link up with everyone.
Yeah.
You've done the ocean session. How do you want to work today anyway? Did you have a plan for it, or are we just going to wing it?
Just wing it, man.
From scratch?
Just wing it. Just in here, yeah?
Yeah. I bet your editing takes ages though when you do the vlog stuff too.
Yeah, it takes a while. Like, it's annoying because when I do those the skate stuff, like they just don't get watched, but they take the longest to make. So I'm just sort of going for the one take. Yeah.
And where are your loops? What kind of loops are they? Just
they're guitar loops. I think could do some kind of drill twist, something a bit more beat.
Some Central C kind of vibe.
Yeah. But it's up to you, man. Go crazy.
Go through them all. Pick the favourite one. Are these the live ones you wrote about earlier? Yeah, that sounds sick. Can you play guitar?
Not really. I can do like the chords, but I have to like record a chord and then re-record it and then strap it all together. How about you?
Nah, no guitar. I know a little bit of piano. Can play chords and stuff on piano.
Okay.
A few pieces, but nothing crazy.
I brought. I spell everything wrong. When
Yeah, serious.
Like Durham.
Especially when you're on like a different computer as well.
Yeah. That sounds nice. Yeah. Oh, that's clean.
This one, yeah?
Yeah, that's clean.
Yeah. Something simple like that.
Yeah.
I kind of want to keep this one pretty simple.
Yeah, I
don't think it needs something that crazy.
That was nice.
Yeah. Kind of want something subtle for this one.
I think it was C. Yeah, it is C.
Does it go up?
Down there. And then higher. And then like up to G. G, just normal G. Put the slides in there, man.
Yeah.
When you do your slides, do you go up to the same key?
Do I do what?
Do you go up to the same key? Just
Not necessarily. It depends. It's like depends. I kind of just listen in my head first, see where I want it to go. But I tend to either just use the same notes in the chord or go up like an octave.
I guess
like say for example, if it's like a dark track, then obviously sliding in semitones that kind of helps with the dark vibe as well. So when I'm using like C, I instantly just kind of go up here and do something like that. Or up here.
Okay.
But I think because this one, it's obviously not that dark, it might be a little bit different. I don't want to go too crazy with slides in this one. Do you know, like small ones?
Yeah, like a, just to kind of bring it back to the beginning. Hey.
across?
Closer. Maybe that.
Yeah.
It's a little bit there.
Yeah. So what I'll usually do is something like this.
Alright.
Just bring the velocity down. It's just like a
like a
manual
delay.
delay. Yeah. Something weird sounding.
Yeah, that's nice.
I just repeat that, but I'll bring the velocity down.
Let's throw in something. Hey? Hey?
That was down. I think that. Yeah, that's kind of.
Oh yeah, that's better. Alright.
Maybe just simplify it a little bit.
Yeah.
You can like take out.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. I can do that.
That's it.
Yeah, don't need too much, does it? No.
Nice one. One in the bag. Have you got any loops?
Yeah.
Alright man, let's do this.
Short drum kit.
Yeah.
The roll up.
Yeah, just maybe slow it down a bit like that.
It's cool hearing trap drums on this because literally for the beat battle they were just all drill beats, so
Okay.
it's the first time I'm hearing trap drums on one of the loops. So it sounds kind of sick pitch now.
Yeah, it's a bit better over the 808.
Yeah.
That
Oh,
little
it's like a
chop.
quick one.
Yeah, that little chop, and then maybe do this. Got that from Busy Works Beats. That.
Let me just try something real quick. It might not sound right, but it might. So kind of like reverse into itself.
Yeah.
Maybe here. Pitch them up as well.
Yeah.
Because you've got them on, you've got their things rounded, don't you? So it looks so weird to me.
Oh yeah. I might change it back, to be honest. Wait, I don't think I need so much more, you know.
Yeah.
3 sounds. Because the melody's so like, like it's like epic, isn't it? Like
So
epic
that's like,
vibes.
wait, it's got a kick built into it.
Yeah, it's got a bit of transient at the beginning.
Maybe an open hat on some of the kicks could work. Like for the first one.
Yeah. Which is out. I can't hear anything else. Yeah, I can't hear anything else on it, man. Yeah, and then do like a very get the drums in like straight away. There's 4 sounds of this one. It's that bit there. That bit's so epic. Because it hits with the 808. That's a beat. There's another one. It's just like a real simple hi-hats, man. I think. Literally, I'm just gonna do that. I think the 808 is gonna
When you're making beats like and not really thinking about getting an artist on them, you end up adding so much shit. But then when you actually take time to listen to the beats that are in like the charts or Spotify, anything, you just realize how simple they actually are.
Yeah, because you can imagine them being like in the studio. They'll find a loop.
Yeah.
And then all someone needs is like 4 or 5 instruments to be put on. So I think Zaytoven said like he always puts the 808 last because if he puts it first, the artist is like, I'm ready to go.
Yeah.
So he waits till the end so he can put the things he wants
first.
in it, the perks and stuff, and then he's good. I throw a slide in. Wait, it's actually gonna be that. That's a proper jet for me.
Try one thing.
Cool reverse one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cracking these out. I think we can get like 5 or 6 in today.
Easy.
Alright, so what are we doing? We're doing a
Yeah, I
UK
think
rap.
maybe start off with like a pad or a piano. We'll just come up with a good chord progression, think of a cat melody, maybe.
just oh my days.
Well, you ain't no Elton John.
Sounds like a dark beat by itself.
Yeah.
And then as soon as you put those chords in.
Could even get a little loop from Splice, like a guitar loop or something, just to throw on top. Shit, I don't know, press that.
Do you want the metronome or are you good without?
I think I should be good. Is there anything in there?
Yeah, man. Plenty.
Might have been something. So the bits kind of work. It's like,
That's nice. Just
Yeah,
simple,
something like that.
catchy.
and then the other bit could be that first bit, the
Yeah.
other one that I mentioned. Try them in here.
That's a proper 80s.
Yeah.
That's not 80s, that's 80s.
Let's go, we'll log into my splice just so it's something different.
Tell me you'll stay.
Let me play it.
Yeah.
Can obviously chop one of them up as well.
Tell me you'll stay. I know you're telling me.
What's the title going to be for this video? So we made every title beat.
Every genre.
Yeah.
I told you once. I told you. I told you once.
Maybe that.
Vibes. That could work too.
Yeah.
I bet maybe that's too high.
Yeah.
Just like to see it through. Squeeze one more in and then
Yeah. So
We'll call
just
it.
fuck the arrangement off then.
you just go back up again.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's just that. Let's do that. We're having like a quick one, like. Dun, dun, dun,
Yeah.
and then that's a
I think it was just a Windows sound. Like,
Yeah, just record it, man, and I'll just
Alright.
I'll just randomly play it and then we'll pick something
cool.
out. Something in there.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, that's alright.
Yeah, it was.
Something simple, yeah.
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
like. Perfect.
Or maybe.
Yeah, I think that's it, man.
Yeah. Yeah. You just brought it up an octave there.
Just knocked it,
Yeah.
yeah. That's one. That's like 6. 5 or
Fifth.
6. 5th.
Fifth, yeah.
I can just listen to that loop.
It's just a nice loop.
It's
Isn't it?
just 5, yeah.